Well, welcome back to Better Living. I'm joined now by Randy Dixon. He's the president of the Toledo Bar Association. Let's talk about what that means for the average person watching Better Living today. What does the Toledo Bar Association do?
It's a professional organization. It's about 1,400, a little over 1,400 of the attorneys in the Toledo, northwestern Ohio, even southeastern Michigan, folks that practice in the Toledo and Lucas County area. Professional organizations obviously provide member benefits, but what I'd like to talk to you about is what we provide to the public, and no professional organization would stand the test of time unless we're doing something for the public. And that's I'll start out. We do a lawyer referral service. You can call if you need an attorney. You can call the hotline or the referral line, 242-2000, and you can get connected with an attorney that specializes in the area that you're looking for. Sure. So that's a good place to start if you're looking for an attorney. Well, and I think that's a problem a lot of people have when they're in a situation. When you're in the situation, you're kind of overwhelmed by whatever that situation may be. Right. And so you really don't know where to start. Having someone who is impartial, that you can call and can direct you to someone who specializes in that is a great thing. What are some other things that the Bar Association does for the public? Right. We have a pro bono service also. So if you can't afford a private attorney, we can connect you with attorneys and pro bono means for free. Right, you get an attorney for free. Handling everything, really just about everything except criminal cases. Criminal cases are actually handled by public defenders. Well, that's what I was just going to ask. The only time I ever hear pro bono mentioned is in the case of a public defender. Right. Are there pro bono attorneys in other cases? Absolutely. We provide them. ABLE, NAWO provides them. It's a service that we're charged with as attorneys. When we get sworn in by the Supreme Court, we're charged with providing attorneys to the public, even if you can't afford them. And in the civil realm also, not just in the criminal realm. And that's the Toledo Bar Association can provide those attorneys to the public. What is something, if someone is going to look for an attorney, regardless of what kind of, perhaps it's a divorce attorney, perhaps it's some sort of civil suit, what is something they need to be cognizant of, or something, what is the primary thing they need to be asking? Well, if you're talking to an attorney that specializes in the area, is qualified to handle it, you can trust them. You can trust that they're giving you the best advice available to you, whether you're having to go to court, if it's to the courthouse, or if it's a real estate deal, or if it's workers' comp, or a divorce, anything. The person that you're talking to is qualified, and that's another thing that we do also. If you think about it, the Toledo Bar Association actually polices our own. We're charged by the Supreme Court, the Ohio Supreme Court, and we have a disciplinary council right there at our headquarters. So if you have a complaint against an attorney, a complaint against a judge, you can call the Toledo Bar Association, and that's where it starts. If I am wanting to make sure that an attorney that I'm thinking about using doesn't have complaints against them, is that something I can check? You can do that, but that's not locally. Okay. The Ohio Supreme Court you have the ability, if you get on the web and check that. It's when disciplinary action has occurred. Obviously, there's privacy. Sure. If it's just a complaint, it doesn't show up. I would say that for attorneys, for really every profession, there are a lot of really good attorneys. There are a lot of really good attorneys in Northwest Ohio. Right. There are a lot of really good television people. There are a lot of really good car salesmen. But every once in a while, there's one person, and they're
one person, it's kind of like the bad apple, you know, that ruins the perception for everybody, doesn't it?
And you know, that's one of the things that the Toledo Bar Association does. Not only do we, you know, police our own, but we try to, you know, let people know that, you know, I mean, lawyers can be the brunt of jokes, you know, at times, okay? But when you need a lawyer, you need a good lawyer. And, you know, that's one of the things that the Toledo Bar ensures. We supply CLE, continuing legal education, to our professionals. That's one of the most important things, you know, one of the most important member benefits. So if you're getting a Toledo Bar Association attorney, you know that they've studied and are continuing in their legal education.
That's right. Well, we appreciate what the Toledo Bar Association is doing for us here and making sure that there are great attorneys that we can use here in Northwest Ohio. For more information, you can visit their website or give them a call today. We'll be right back on Better Living.